I noticed when I was rolling it in, the transmission kind of jumps. Hi, and welcome back. So you can tell I didn't get it finished. So today we're gonna push the truck back over, pull the Bronco back in, probably flip it around. That way we can see the driver's side, what we need to do. We'll probably go over that, what the plans are moving forward. Then we gotta finish put the floor in and the kick panel on and some other stuff like that. But I had a busy weekend. Actually got the Bronco chained to one of my posts out here because I had to leave it outside for a couple of days. But that being said, still got cleaning to do. I was not able to get out here at all this weekend. But we'll get the truck put back over there and get the Bronco in. That way we can start working on the rest of it. So sit over there and get this done right quick. Well, you can see it, but got it chained to the frame there. It's not that we live in a bad neighborhood. It's just there was a point in time when I didn't have the truck back up against it, and it's just easy for somebody to back up and pick it up if they wanted to. But like I said, I'm gonna move the truck over here. I'm probably just gonna push this stuff up enough so I can get the truck over there. So I came in this weekend that I gotta start putting together in here. It's a play set for my girls, so I don't know if you want to see me build that or not, but it's an option. Looks like it went through some stuff. That's how it arrived. I hope I'm not missing any pieces. But anyways, I'll be probably moved over in the clear spot we got now. Anyways, today, so we got to air up that tire, move some of the stuff out of the way, and hopefully this will fit right in here. And then we'll just push the Bronco back in and put it on dollies and call it a day. So let's get to it. But I got her in here. I have more room in my garage with the Bronco over here than the truck. But next time we're gonna look at this floor area again. I know there's some welds I need to do in here, so I can see daylight. And I probably need to sand some stuff back down, especially that area, get that rust that's starting taken care of. But I have to put something underneath the tires. But I think looks a lot better now, being washed out. Back in the work on your spot. I wish I did this before I started any of this. It'd be a lot easier. This side still looks okay. A little rust coming through there. We'll get that later. Some stuff up here we need to take care of. I noticed when I was rolling it in, the transmission kind of jumps. Have to figure that out. But that's back over here. Like I said, next time we'll come back over here and start. Okay, that's ready to be welded right there. But we'll start measuring, get everything fit for the floor. And I still probably gonna have to have help with this door pillar here and the passenger side one. Get the doors fit right. But I think I can get the floor in and be okay. So that's what we're gonna work on. Just getting all this tacked in. Kick panel tacked in, especially back behind here, up here. But glass back in here, cats walked all over it. But hopefully we get this thing, hit it hard, and get it done. Well, got the Bronco in where it needs to be. I think we can get on the driver's side how it is. Thinking about leaving the truck on the dollies. It's hard to move, and my jack's missing one wheel, and it's hard to get up there underneath it. So we'll probably leave it on the dollies, and I think we got enough room we can mess with this, and then we can still push it out and whatnot. But next time we'll be working on this, getting the driver's side floor all buttoned up. Need to remeasure stuff, but that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.